House of Rep member don't go empower him people. In fact, he do this one on a different level. If you see as Oga turn to Obi Kubana for that place, saying they empower people. Oga just carry money, begins praising and so he want to empower people. Person when they do this one, in name now Honorable Ibrahim Abuna. Abuna, na be name. It means that for Nigeria, any minimum thing they go is and buy person. Make na conscious people they rush because of 200 naira. Because of 500 people won't keep themselves. My people beg, make na follow me see. I don't see our Nigerian citizen. And I sure say with this one, what this one doing, after 4 years, this guy will still come back. They will still vote for them. Say chicken change, where this guy carry come. Now there people, they rush, they hustle. Say because of this one, they say they won't catch something small. But it means say, now any money, in fact, even if you carry 5 naira, it means say you go fit buy any citizen. This money will be say, I sure say they give them this money, say, use and repair this town, use and do something inside this place. You know everything all those ones. You don't even think yourself, say, make him do something good for the town. You know, come they come turn to the spray money. Now, party you did. I be what it say they do. If you want to empower people, at least gather. If not skill, you go teach them. You teach them the skill. If you know that this thing you want put in place, you put them in place. Not be about this gra way you come outside now. Come they do. On a see person papa is he down for grand because of 500. Person mama they bow down, they bow because of 200 naira. Hey, on a they see as people they suffer. On a see as Nigerians and this person, House of Rep member, making a word, he no even follow protocol. Common nose marks in no way. See how people bundle themselves like Sandy. They no even reason say COVID jail. They still gather themselves like this. In fact, now we just they deceive ourselves inside this country. Our mumu no fit finish because if upon all these people they complain, say country no good, country no good. On a still they happy that they give now to 200. Now still they happy, now still they joy. In fact, it means this country may they just even sell them. But I beg, I say they don't pull us, say spraying of money, may they stop them. So I beg, why be say EFCC a big police, they don't see this video to go arrest this man. Because they don't pull us and I hear all of us the way they bring the law. Say no more spraying of money. So I beg this one what you can't they do. Should they won't talk say they don't even see the thing. In fact, all these people they know what they do. They know what they do well. But I feel that these people pain. Maybe they don't get at all. Maybe they are very poor. And at all, at least this 200, you go do something for them. I sure say now waiting go make them this ones carry themselves, go queue for this kind of hot sun. Say they won't go collect 200 naira. But I hope say this country last it go better because this one is rubbish. Last if you know say you won't do better thing, do the better thing. No, they use money, they block people. I say you want to empower them, in which you know say nothing where you go do. In fact, Nigeria tire me. My people beg, I hear this one as make a bring her come, make na service na here. Here wait till they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write down in the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. Lecturer don't go beat one student until this student start to bleed because of say waiting. Say this student no wear Ankara. Hey, wait till person no go even here. Hey, person no wear Ankara. This one don't turn to primary school, be secondary school because I never understand what they happen. And this one they happen inside Nnamdi Azikiwe University. I don't know be na cultural they do. I been now inside university they don't they do dress code. Say today you go wear white and black. I don't know what to even do this lecturer. Say this girl no come wear this thing, or the girl wear normal casual clothes. Maybe she no even get this Ankara. Before we go see this man don't sample different types of mark on top of this girl body. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
Jesus, see blood. See blood. Because of what? Inside school, because he don't wear Ankara. And this thing, Jesse. Because come and give my slippers. Because can you imagine?
I beg, this kind thing is illegal at all. Because I never understand this guy except they beat you. You can't stand here like a gamma lizard. Stand still. You know if you move, you know if you do anything. So take person beat you. Give you all this kind of mark for body. But I beg, this one don't be physical violence. Because they always talk and say, person they beat person. You know, I don't know say if you even enter higher institution. A whole university. I know they for primary school, I know they for secondary school. Lecturer will carry cane. In fact, this one still they surprise me. You go carry cane, say you won't come beat me. Say because I know wear one kind cloth. Not be waiting I get now suppose you buy clothes for me. Abi you donate money for the school that go take buy this Ankara before you come decide say person wey no want Ankara go chop cake. In fact, this lecture they suppose arrest am. Carry and put for one place because this one way e no even make sense. And I sure say na all this kind lecture be say there sabi high student. Maybe you don dey give this student face, don dey tell am I like you, the girl no dey hear. Maybe you come reason everything join together say okay na as you no go do my own I go do you the way I want. Maybe na wetin come make am reason and say okay the only way as this girl don offend make I come use am beat am. But abeg this one na grown up. If say na small pikin na we go reason and say okay na secondary school she still dey maybe na make e dey punish am. Person wey don big in fact you even do am reach your meter. If say you go do am for one student wey be say the person don yah were, wey be say the person don craze reach before na there you go know. The person go first mess you up after the person you go come even beat you join. Because this one I never hear am reach for inside university. Even some people say they go say they dance they can't agidi wey they go give they no go even do. They go stand still say lie last if they go experience me they go dey okay. But you can't still get this moral go do this kind of thing. But as e be like say our education system don't even spoil. Because one to enter school na problem person go come add flogging join am. In which if before you go even enter this the kind jam where you go jam go even jam you 10 times before you go even pass the jam exam alone. You go come enter strike alone you no go even make you graduate. If you reason all this one school no go even gree you go. Now person go come talk say caning of students abi na caning of adults you go come put am inside again say na part of the school requirements. In fact this school administration wetin they suppose do about this matter? Because as this thing happen you no even suppose dey video am. Carry am go on our administration office go show them say see wetin a fellow lecturer do to me. E dey legal abi no dey legal and I hope say your parents get mouth they get money. Because if not na so all these lecturers go dey molest students they beat them anyhow. But if they teach one person lesson the lecturers eye go clear. Because you kind rubbish thing be this one. And if you beat and finish now you go see the form almighty say because you be lecturer nobody go fit touch you. Now if they're giving us just one sample una go calm down. But I beg make the school administration find something to do about this lecturer matter because this one no make sense. I beg if say you beat this girl so that all her body can't tear damage wetin you go come talk? You go talk say she offend. And the offense if say na good one for reason your matter. Mumuti, cloth, material thing no even get sense. If you wash am with almost 2 times, the thing don't wash. Now you can't dey the beat person on top. Now wow, things they happen inside this Nigeria. My people beg, I hear this one. I want make I bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I fear about this matter, I just hear now. Make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.